Cosmos is saying something that we think is very important, which we will try to explain. I'm Sophie Kivlehan, a high school student in Allentown, Pennsylvania.
I'm Jim Hansen, Sophie's grandfather and a climate scientist at Columbia University. Climate change, driven mainly by increasing carbon dioxide from fossil fuels, is already causing increased climate extremes. If we don't phase down fossil fuel emissions, young people will face a situation in which greater effects, such as large sea level rise, will begin to run out of their control.
That's unfair to young people. We didn't cause climate change, but we inherit the consequences. The crazy thing is that the solution actually makes sense for everybody, young and old. Young people can understand that we need an approach that conservatives and liberals can both support.
That would be a simple carbon fee collected from fossil fuel companies with the money distributed equally to all people. That's simple and honest. It's the fastest way to reduce fossil fuel use because products that use fossil fuels become more expensive and people pay attention to the prices.
Most people come out ahead. Rich people lose a little money because they have a larger carbon footprint, bigger houses, and so on, but they can afford that. Most people will have more money to spend, the economy grows, and there are more jobs.
Yes, economists agree that this would work. Washington State has a ballot initiative, I-732, which is almost the carbon fee and dividend. Most of the money would be used to reduce sales tax rather than a direct payment to the public. It would be the best program so far, the closest to a simple, honest carbon fee and dividend. A great example for the world.
Some groups oppose I-732, even some environmental groups. They want to grab the money for this or that. That's what Cosmos is talking about. The money should go to the public. Please support young people and nature. If you live in Washington, please be an example for the rest of the world by voting yes for I-732.